Reading mind hindrances with skepticism. As the fifth, he is the thoroughly perfect man. Reading mind hindrances with skepticism. As the fifth, he is the thoroughly perfect man. Dhammapad 295. The Brahmin, the Rahat, the wise one, kills the mother craving, kills the father egotism. Self-esteem kills the two learned kings. They represent the two false views, eternalism and nihilism as false. He kills the 5 tigers, 5 nivarons that obstruct the path of purity. And having done all these killings, the Arahat goes about unaffected. Once mother and father having slain, and then to learn kings, Ajal the fifth, a tiger fires. One goes immune, a Brahmin to, a Arahat to, a wise true. Dhammapad 295. Matarong pitarong honta Rajano desho sothiye Vyagha panchamong hontva Aniho jati brahmano. Dhammapad 295.